Hello and welcome to Wine Club Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 8028, and this is the Star Wars TIE Fighter. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, I would ask you to think about subscribing, because I have I'm planning on doing one of these Polybag build-alongs, one a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, there's plenty more on the way. And if you're interested in this particular one, I've included links in the description where you can find the set, either on Amazon or on Bricklink. And also, I've included the brick set link if you just want information about the set itself. Now, there's also a Google Doc spreadsheet that has information about Lego Polybag, my Lego Polybag build-alongs, past, present, and future. So you can check that out if you're interested. And I guess that's about it. So let's check out this TIE Fighter. Now, there have been a couple of TIE Fighters done over the years. I think this is one of the early ones. This one should be from, let's see, from 2012, looks like. So it's at least in that time frame. So this one, as of the making of this video, is about, call it 8 years old. Not too bad, I guess. And actually, at some point, I think what I should do, once I've put together all of the Polybag TIE Fighters, I should put together a video that sort of compares and takes a look at all of them. If you have any interest in that, let me know in the comments. That'd be something worth doing, just sort of compare and contrast. Because, like, I put together one a little bit ago, and instead of just a clear disc for the cockpit, it had like a printed one, and it made it look like, I really like the look of that one. It just made it look really good. So anyway, I think that you can, it might also show sort of the changes and evolution of certain Star Wars things over the years. Alright, so let's see what we got. So this goes on the bottom, and this is a touch that I don't think the last one did. So that goes on the bottom, and this goes on the front, or the back. This goes on one of the either front or back. So I guess it'll be determined in the near future. This goes on the back. It's got to be the back, because the front is going to have the clear cockpit. And this one's going to go on the front. And like so. Yeah, I like the one with the printed thing a lot better. Well, I mean, I like the printed thing, I guess. And then we put little spacers in here. So I put a spacer on right there, and I put another spacer right here. This is going to be one of those ones where we get to see exactly how close to even I got the bar. Not so even, it looks like. Alright, that's a little better. I feel like that's pretty close. Alright. So next we got to put together our wings. And so since we're doing two, might as well kind of do them simultaneously. We got that, we got that. And the side pieces, like so, and like so. And then these go across the top. like this. And I gotta say, it would have been much easier if they just told me to do it like this. Alright, so that and that. And then we pop wings on these things, like so, and like so, and like so, and like this one. Alright, this one goes over here, and then this goes here. And like that. And this one should be the last one I need over here. Alright, so it takes care of those. And on the top, we got to do some decorating. The little blue thing wanted to escape. So, we got that. We got this. And then the vents. So, vent. The blue vents are kind of neat. I don't know exactly what I'd use them for besides this, but they're neat looking. A vent. And a vent. And then the ones on the top. So here. And here. I'll tell you one thing I'm not super crazy about is like it doesn't feel like it feels like there should be one or two more pieces to hold the tie wings on. And on the back, one of these and one of these. Yeah, it's okay, but these are a little, I don't know, maybe there's not too bad. Alright, so extra pieces wise, we got these. And then, oh, we don't have these? Okay, it's showing it sticking out right there. So let's see how close I got to these being even. That. And, ooh, maybe not. Gotta line it up right. That. And like so. Alright. That's kind of a cool looking TIE fighter. I like it. I definitely think that I would replace this front transparent, like the clear disc, with the one that has the printing on it. Just because the printed cockpit makes it look a lot better. It's not too bad though. Kind of neat. And I like the fact that they have the bottom. Like they dealt with that part. Neat. Maybe they should have put a disc on top though. I don't know. What do y'all think? Not a bad TIE fighter? Okay. You like the other one better? Anyway, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And hope y'all have an excellent day.